പറഞ്ഞു. Okay.
Hi dear friends, this is Vijay here, your friend. Today we are having one guest patient with shoulder issue. She is complaining pain in the shoulder. Etra masai?
5 months.
From last 5 months she is suffering with the shoulder issue. Now we are going to check in front of you live what is the problem right now and what level best we can do with result. Okay? This is the good hand. Now I am lifting up. The range of motion is 180 degree from the front, full range of motion, no issue. From the side, 180 degree, no issue. From the front, we will check this hand. Vedana vanna andare ayyo appa ayyo amma parayana. Alliki nan poki kodu pote undu. Ayyo amma. Now this is 90 degree from the front. From the side, para.
Ayyo.
Parayana. So this is below 90 degree. So this is the condition here. We will come back after the treatment.
Okay.
So dear friends, I just completed my treatment. It took 2 to 3 minutes. Their bystander is sitting in front of me. I am not doing the treatment alone here. Illiyo? Or a little bit pidichu kaanum. Namukku nokkam. Sheri aayo illiyo?
Okay.
So earlier this was the range 90 degree from the front. From the side below 90 degree pain was there. Let me check. Kai nere. Okay? Full kai modi pokku. Full modi pokku. So നമ്മൾ 80% പുറത്ത് റെഡി ആയി. ഇവിടെ ആണ് കളിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. So we can see പൊക്ക് മോളി പൊക്കാണ്. So almost ഇനി ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ പെയിൻ ഉണ്ട് 5 മാസമായി. Because of 5-month-old frozen shoulder. So from the front it was 90, now it is almost full range of motion. From the side, pain started here, now full modi kote, full modi. Nammal check cheyidana engane full length nammal pokku check cheyi. Pokku. Okay. Jindabad kara. ചെറിയ വേദന കിട്ടി കൊണ്ടുപോ 60 വയസ്സിന്റെ ശൈലിക്ക് ചെറിയ വേദന വേണം.